Hello travellers, happy St. Patrick's Day. Today we're going to be taking a look at this here, which is the Wilderness Wear Ascent jacket. I have this jacket here in the jazz green colour. I'm also wearing the forest green ultra-fine merino wool t-shirt from Outlier and Outlier's Dust Olive Future Darts. You can see a review of both of those by clicking the link in the top right hand corner. This jacket is a merino wool blend jacket made in Australia from a blend of 20% merino wool, 72% polyamide, and 8% elastane. It has a 4-way stretch and articulated elbows, as well as a durable, water-resistant coating. The jacket is potentially a great do-it-all travel jacket with a merino wool blend and a fairly clean styling if you get it in any other colour than this green here. It also does come in a nice grey and black colour. So this will be more of a quick hands-on showcase of the jacket, rather than a full review, because I haven't really had a real chance to fully test it out in a full temperature range or all the different features of the jacket. So this jacket is built for a wide range of outdoor activities, including but not limited to mountaineering, hiking, cycling, and snow sports. The side pockets are really tall and the zips are raised up as not to interfere with the backpack straps while you're backpacking. They also have an internal mesh structure which helps the breathability of the jacket. The jacket also does exhibit excellent properties of merino wool, which is keeping it warm while it's cool and being very breathable while it's hot, so you won't overheat while wearing this jacket. There's also a zippered internal pocket and one internal mesh pouch as well. The jacket has a DWR coating to keep it very highly water resistant, as you can see here, so you can count on it being comfortable in rain or snowy conditions. As you can see, the water runs straight off the fabric because of the DWR coating, which is actually very good and probably one of the best that I've seen on any clothing that I've reviewed for a while. Zips are all Ykk and Smooth and don't catch or cause any snags in my testing. The fit is really nice too, and it has Velcro on the cuffs for a more secure and airtight fit. I'm wearing the size small here and it is very comfortable. Finally, the price is 449 Australian dollars or 275 US dollars. And they also do offer international shipping, not only to the US but to other countries as well. It's certainly on the high end for a jacket, especially when you compare it to other more affordable options, but I think it's a unique option because of the merino wool blend, which makes it very naturally breathable and temperature regulating. And it's very comfortable and well built, and it's made in Australia, so you know that it's very high quality. So definitely worth checking out as a do-it-all travel jacket. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments if you have any other jackets that you think are a better jacket for an all-purpose travel jacket, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.